welcome to Adaeze TV. Today we are treating translations, but this time we're making sentences, all right, not words. This time we are making sentences and then giving their meaning in Igbo, translating them to Igbo language so that you understand and learn how to speak and also write in Igbo language. Okay, so today it's gonna be interesting and more interesting. Like I told you before, that you should anticipate our lesson today, and it's gonna be interesting, like I promised. So let's start. Ndewonu ndị be anyị, nọ m na Adaeze TV. Na nke taa